are you?
Good, how are you?
Big win?
Huge win last night. A win that no one thought they would get but me. Today is the day we celebrate Her Majesty, the Queen, a day early. We got the 6th annual Bombs Over Blind Line Festival that begins today. Can't wait. The prep starts at 7:50 in the morning and won't stop till the wee hours.
The bomb squad has arrived. May 24. It's a big thing in Canada. We're going to be blasting off $2,100 in fireworks bought from the Six Nations Reserve. So no tax. This is like pure explosives. Love having people over. Love building a strong community, and you know, nothing says fun like fireworks. Wow, look at that. It's a lot of explosives. Just after 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Doors open in 3 hours. Got some of the crew here now to help set up. We have about 50 bombs to put into the ground. And yeah, we're about a football field away from where everyone will be sitting. Cut the grass here yesterday, so we're just gonna get all set up, and yeah, it'll be 5 o'clock before you know it. Fireworks go off at 9. It's a heavy one. Wow, that is heavy.
That's a starter.
Holy.
Lone Wolf fireworks.
Supporting Indigenous business.
Oh yeah.
Grand finale box.
Start.
Very important, Kevin. Very important.
Gotcha.
So this is the start. These are the middle. And this is the grand finale box. Grand finale. So Linz, what are your expectations this year?
Well, I don't know. Sure, every year it gets better and better, so it's exciting.
It's the highlight of the year. There we go. We got our paramedic on site.
Take care of business.
Oh yeah. How you doing, buddy?
What's going on? Oh, everyone's here.
There's 3 ones going in here, so maybe not.
Or maybe that other one's got to be bigger, deeper.
What are your expectations for tonight?
I hope no one loses a finger. I'm just hoping to have a good time with the kids. Just always coming up the blind line. It's just epic, you know. Spending time with Brett.
Yeah. So for those who've never been to a fireworks show before here, do you think they're going to be blown away?
Everyone that comes every year that's never been, and they're blown away, and I'm blown away every time I come. And I've come for like 8 years.
Yeah.
So
yeah, it's gonna be good.
Yeah, they'll have a good time.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. 51 holes later.
Yeah. So what are you doing right now?
Well, just in case it rains, we don't want the fuses to get wet.
Like I do.
About halfway done. So there's 3 sections. We're just digging them into the ground. Then Lindsay's putting the garbage bags over top. And yeah, Alicia's planned it all out, curated, which to light, when. So there's 3 sections. My megaphone order just came in, so that's going to amp up the production value as well. Just, you know, once it gets dark, we'll light them off. Big win last night.
Huge win, huge win. Let's go. We're working on greatness now. See Austin last night, boys? Everyone getting on them?
It's all written out.
What can I do to try to assist?
Laminated.
There's a timing of everything.
You guys got this.
This is so
everything's
good.
all like numbers.
The mud is so good.
I know.
Like it is mold.
All right, we brought in the German barbarian.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Big day ahead, boys. Let's get digging.
Get out of here. Curly, what's up, man? How are you?
See ya, baby. How are you?
Nah, baby.
See you, bud. Is that too low?
Well, it depends where the wick is. No, that's okay.
Yeah.
The wick's on top.
All right.
Good job, gentlemen. We're all set up. 51 fireworks in the ground. Bags on top, dirt on top of that. Yeah, it makes sense.
Makes sense.
Okay, well, I was planning on having a nap. That's not gonna happen. Trent and Amit are still here. We're half an hour from doors opening, and we're just putting the final touches on everything. Weather, it's gonna be fine, but it's a bit breezy, so we've set up in the garage for food, just so we don't have to move, and we don't want everything blowing away. Other than that, it's rock and roll time. Hey!
Jacket in the garage I can throw on.
Okay. All right, we're gonna start the fireworks. We have a little pre-fireworks set up first. I'm just gonna do that.
Did you guys pull all the wick already or no?
Yeah.
I think
Someone was in charge.
I don't know if we're going to be able to watch them.
Yeah, baby.
Watch your steps, guys.
Yeah.
Try not.
Amazing, bro.
Yeah, the wind ate that one, Ace.
Wagon, or else you gotta come sit here.
Not that I could see.
Yeah.
Let's go, Buffalo! That's for you, Eric.
I'll go
Here comes more! times more.
I'm gonna put them.
The best, Brett. You're the best. You're the best.
No, Dad.
Get out of there!
I can't find that.
Get out of there, man! This is the big one.
That one's nuts.
That was awesome, boy. That shed is getting pelted. There's one more here, no?
Yeah, there's one there, but I can't light it.
Why? Where is it?
I can't find
Wick?
it.
Who wants more?
I got it.
Can you turn it?
Who
Found it.
wants more?
Later. Alright, you want me to light it? Yep. I'll do it. I'll do it!
I'm gonna put the camera right there. Okay, we're good, I think, here.
Oh.
ability to just hang. Very impressive, sir. Very, very impressive.
Good job, Trent. Good job, Trent. Woo!
Good work. Good job, boys. Good job, boys.
All right, let's go back.
You had a lot of fireworks here.
That's the second load?
That's the second load.
Wow.
It's all loaded beside the fire. I'm pretty sure they all went off. Let's hope before we burn them.
Another successful year at Bombs Over Blind Line, year 6. Just want to give a special thanks to Alicia Woodman, Scott Johnson, and Trent for being in the line of fire, for lighting everything last night. And, you know, because safety is our #1 concern, we're just burning all the excess used, we hope they're all used, fireworks right now. Got everything cleaned up. Hopefully nothing blows up in my face, but just wanted to show you. Just to give you an idea of how many fireworks we had. If you were here last night and you forgot anything, I'm going to have a big box, lost and found.
Oh, they're real cigarettes.
And yeah, that's it. See you next year. Long live the Queen. Kind of.